circle, a black marker and a pencil, some scissors, a glue stick, and any color paper. Today I chose a brown paper so I can make a brown color mouse.
And I can make a pink color mouse.
Let's begin our cute little mouse. So we need our brown paper first. We are going to draw the circle first. We need the cup and the pencil. And I'm going to draw another one for the face. Now we have two big circles. Whoa, that was a close one. Two big circles here. Now let's cut them out. Please be careful with these scissors. They might be very sharp. One circle done. Now for the next circle. Now we have two circles right here. One for the face and one for the body. Take one circle and cut. Don't cut all the way, just cut half. Like there is enough. Now take the glue stick and oh, that's so hard. And now we need to stick it. You need to put glue at the back, not completely, just half like that, because we are going to stick it like this. You see? Like this. It should be like a cone. Oh no, sorry! Why did you cut the circle? Now we need to do another circle. Oh no. We'll do that later. First, now let me just stick this. Okay, now let's cut the other circle. Oopsies. Because she cut that circle I needed, I'm drawing another circle. Now let me cut it. Okay, now we got another circle. Now we need to fold it like this. You need to fold it in half like this. Now we need to draw a half a heart so we can get a heart shape for the face. Look, the heart. Now I'm going to cut it. It's a bit hard. We got a heart. Now we got a heart. Now we need to fold like this, cause now if I open, it will be the same thing. So like this, they're the same fold like this. These are the ears. Now I'm going to fold it like this so we can see the middle line. Now let me draw the eyes with a black marker. stick the face onto the body. Just keep the glue only to the face. Now let's stick it. It looks like this. So cute. Now let's do the mustache and the nose for the mouse. So for that, I took some black strips and a pink cute nose for the mouse. You need to stick the black strips to the pink nose. Like that. Oopsie, it's falling down. Just stick it properly. Now we are done sticking the nose. Now we are going to stick the nose to the mouse here. So we need to keep glue on the mouse's nose. Now let's stick it. So hard to get. Yup. Sticking the nose is done, but something else is missing. Sadhi, what is missing?
Maybe the tail.
Oh yeah, a mouse has a tail. I think I can use this black strip. So we are going to keep glue on this end. I'm going to stick it back here. Now let's make a curly tail like a pig with using a pencil. And we need to put our finger under here and just pull it like that. It will become curly. Our curly tail is done. Did you see the curly tail? Our cute little mouse is done. It's so easy to make. Easy cute little mouse is ready. Guys, I think they are having a party.
Yes.
See you all in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Ding 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 ding. Bye.